Welcome to Carolina Science Online. This tutorial will show you how to redeem an access code to activate your product. If you or your school purchased a subscription for a digital product, you or your school should receive the email with the access code. Once you have received the code, log in to carolinascienceonline.com. Use your school email address as your username. You might be prompted to create a new password, or, if your email address doesn't already exist on our system, to register an account. Once logged into Carolina Science Online, go to the Access Code tile and select Redeem Individual Code link. You will be redirected to the My Products section. Click the blue Redeem Code button. Enter the access code you received and click the Redeem button. When you have entered the code, your product will be automatically added to your account. You can now start using the resources. Go back to the home screen, click on the Resources tile, and play any of the available resources.